Eishemerezo n'amajwana byombekyeirwe kurabira mu kitongore cya Dr. Deep kandi bimazireho biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 5 kandi byigwirwaho mu butongore byakwasibwa abarukurirwa reri.
Engineering bakweta scenarios batakuchoringira appreciate ngo no gukozere kandi tekateka ngo ndikora baramu ibe kutekateka bamba kushobora ibera yongera mu nakwita mu bimaraje.
Ekibenki tuburaho ni siyeta tuyino buraro tuyina bashaho kandi tuyine nembazi government iki kikozire twagaraka twajya na ambulance ina leta nkuru igihe ketandikanye gukora government yagarakatereza indisho imwambia honorable Nasani yateyire Rugaaga mbwe twinirwe kwatso
twohereza bashaho
na boss mugarura mukuru w'Eirwariro nagira ngo batwire eishemerezo bito ritari hamutindo ekibirenje baretero kusindika abantu binje mbarra betu ngubwa hati echo tikirikwijagaruka kubaho
konka ibintu bimwe bitarimo konka twereze izo biba commissioninga siyeta ni munonga ero mu kigo cyo kwetayisa so hatu to expectinga kujabuna referral statement sindika ahe ngabweko nambara za once kwa
kuko twatunga siyeta mpo no basana bo kwisha kandi bukanganya impango munonga akane eshime kubone tungana district kwayo ahabwayo
hona bashaho mu Eirwariro abatungira uburaro bahigirwa kutamwa amani basi abantu obuhereza burungi
ikintu kimanyisa ngo haza kubaho reduction ningasho kucendera okwabacyara abakufani bazaba omucyara yaremererwa ikintu kimanyisa ngo naza nibaza kwamba mutaha theater omwana bamuye mu speed
konka tukinemu tine wodemo bwena bashija bakorana nabakasitire mu busenge bamwe bararo kwabandoko konka abazima bari mu kantukamo
omugandi Eirwariro rya Rugaaga Health Center ya Kana erukushangwa mu Rugaaga Nyamamba Division Kasese Municipality nariza kuzubwa hariza harurengo rw'Eirwariro hango eba bigambiro babire nibigura kwizaro ry'abakazi eryabire ryokibwo murro omwaka gw'2021.
Upgrading this hospital health center to a hospital has already started because we've already started putting in the necessary structures and we shall only have to regionalize it. I've mentioned that they will have an upgraded theater
and more facilities from government will coming because this will not be a hospital status.
Agunagara kagira ngo burugombo ro mu district age next Eirwariro eriyo rurengo rwa health center ya Kashatu.
Have every sub-county to have a health center 3 where mothers are able to deliver. We don't want mothers to travel long distances and to come to look for health care.
Absenteeism in medical facilities, I think we don't want to hear it anymore.
Eirwariro bwa nyuma yo kusiyo mwaka gw'2021 aba Rotary Club of Kasese Snow Peaks hamwe na Medicines Sans Frontiers bakashara mu kuruhunduza.
Found out that the facility was receiving and delivering over 300 mothers and babies respectively. Yet the other ward that housed an antenatal care unit, a labor suite, maternity ward, postnatal care and art clinic had been razed by fire in 2020 and the mothers were sleeping in tents and under trees.
Gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya na Gilbert Muhanguzi.